video. This is going to come in handy for putting siding on my parents' house. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of this cutter. Now this cutter can cut flooring, siding, really a whole variety of things, but we are actually siding my parents' house, so we're going to show you how it works on this. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Go ahead and explain it, hun.
So it's right now it's locked. There's a safety latch here. You just pull it.
That's really nice.
Yep, and then the handle comes up. Beware, the handle is spring loaded.
So. This is sharp. Don't put your fingers under there.
And definitely warning.
Yeah. All right, so we've got a piece of siding.
And it fits in there really good.
And
There is a straight edge here with a ruler.
Yep.
So that does keep it nice. But there was also, I don't know if you noticed, there's the degrees here. So if you're doing like gable ends to your vinyl siding, or angled flooring, this would also cut flooring, but you can go all the way up to your 45, and this vinyl still does, it fits in here.
Perfect.
So you can cut a good 45 on that.
Perfect. Check that out.
And I just need one at about that length, so I got my mark there, and I just hold it flat and pull, and it just goes.
Look at that.
It's so smooth.
Look at that perfect cut.
I mean, it just nibbled.
That is so cool.
I could probably even go, oh, that was probably a little bit too long.
Oh my goodness, look at that, even that little tiny bit. How cool is that?
Yeah, so fast.
And it's got, you can mount it on a table if you wanted to mount it on a table, which is really cool.
I mean, considering when we were using these, so you have to go through a couple pieces here.
And you're never going to be straight using that.
I mean, how long that takes.
Right?
I can try to get up through here. Oh God, yeah, straightness. I should definitely have a line. I could probably follow a line.
You probably could, but even at that, like comparing that to that is crazy.
Yeah, it looks like a factory edge right there.
That is so nice. And like I said, this also can do different styles of flooring. It's not that heavy. I like that it's not heavy. I like that it's easy to move around.
There was some assembly. It was actually really easy.
Okay.
There's a little rubber pad on the bottom of the blade all the way. It does come with a few extra of those rubber pads because I have a feeling that during storage and here, it's going to wear that pad out, a little bit. And just some screws on the back side to hold that in. And then the same thing, just a couple screws to remove this from there for storage. But, you just pull it down.
And then you can safety lock it. And then that makes it so it's not open when you're storing it or moving it around. That's a win. This has been immensely helpful helping us cut vinyl siding for this house. If you're doing a flooring project or a siding project, this could come in really handy. Recommend it?
It's awesome.
Very cool. We recommend this.